Hello everyone, let's dive into the InWin Dubili, a full tower gaming chassis that's part of their iBuildy Share series. This case comes in a stunning champagne gold color and is built for those who want a unique and customizable build experience. First off, the Dubili's most striking feature is its modular design. It's not just a case, it's a project. You get to assemble it from the ground up, giving you complete control over the final look and feel. This is perfect for enthusiasts who enjoy the building process and want a case that truly reflects their personal style. The case supports extended ATX motherboards, making it suitable for high-end gaming rigs, AI systems, or even professional workstations. The spacious interior provides ample room for components, and the bottom-mounted power supply design helps with cable management and airflow. InWin has pre-installed 4 ARGB fans, which not only provide excellent cooling, but also add a vibrant touch to the build. The lighting can be customized to match your other components, creating a cohesive and visually appealing system. The Dubili also features reversible handles and feet, which are sturdy enough for transportation. This is a thoughtful addition for gamers who frequently attend LAN parties or professionals who need to move their workstations. The use of tempered glass adds a premium feel to the case, allowing you to showcase your components. The champagne gold color is unique and eye-catching, setting it apart from the typical black or white cases on the market. While the modular design and premium features come at a cost, the InWin Dubili is a worthwhile investment for those who value customization, aesthetics, and build quality. It's a case that will turn heads and provide a satisfying building experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.